In a moment, we will practice a Zen meditation technique where we count the breath. We use the breath and counting from 1 till 10 and then 10 back to 1 as our focal point. And one cycle of breath is one count. So before we begin, find a place that is as quiet as possible with minimal distractions, where you can either sit on the floor, maybe with a cushion underneath you, sit in a chair with the soles of the feet planted, and your back is forward, so you're not leaning all the way back into the chair. And then another option is to lie on the ground. Once you find a place where you can meditate, begin to close your eyes. You can rest your hands in your lap, on your thighs, or on your belly. First, notice the contact of your body with the surface beneath you. And then observe the natural inflow and outflow of your breath without needing to fix or change it in any way. And as we begin counting, for the first set, I will count for you or count with you. And then after, you will continue counting on your own. Keep in mind, it's completely normal to lose count or for the mind to get distracted. It's not necessarily a problem that needs fixing. Instead, we can use it as an opportunity to practice refocusing the mind. So as you inhale, hold at the top. Exhale. That's 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 8. Inhale. Exhale. 9. Inhale. Exhale. 10. Now going backwards. Inhale. Exhale. 9. Inhale. Exhale. 8. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Keep going on your own. And wherever you are, even if you haven't completed whatever cycle you're on, just let go of counting. You can even let go of the focus on your breath. Allow the mind to be free to do whatever it wants to do. So, whether that's thinking or being still, just allow it to do whatever it wants. Notice the weight of your body in contact with the floor. And become aware of the sounds around you. Just listening, observing. And as you're ready, gently blink your eyes open.